Hello, everyone. My name is Ed Shakespeare, and welcome to Color of Hope. If you were given $1,000,000 to help Haiti, what would you spend it on? What would you do to make sure that the money is effectively well spent and the effect is long-lasting? We want to hear your $1,000,000 idea for Haiti. The phone lines will be open later to get your best ideas, or you can email us at contact@telelakaitv.com. Also, how is the Haitian diaspora keeping hope alive here in the States and in Haiti after the earthquake? Let's talk about all of this and more right now, right here on Color of Hope.